you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I went to Walmart to return something and I ended up getting a ton of stuff. They had so many cute like back to school outfits and I did a little try on in the store and I really liked some of the fits that they had. It reminded me a lot of the clothes that I wore back in like 6th grade, like junior high, high school, ringer tees, really cute pants. And I'm a mom, so most of the time I wear outfits like this that I can like run around in and be comfortable in. I don't mind if they get a little messy. I'm running around with my daughter who's 5. And yeah, I thought I'd do a little Walmart haul try on today. So if you want to see what I got, please keep watching. So the first outfit, I actually got both styles. They had it in this navy color and then they also had it in like a burgundy. This was from the Millie Bobby Brown collection and the shirt I'm wearing is a large. I just like it to fit a little bit looser on my arms and up top. And then the pants are actually an XXS, which I'm really surprised that the double extra small fit me, but I have been on this like weight loss journey. So yeah, I just thought this was like a super cute fall outfit and it so much reminded me of when I was younger. So I had to pick it up. And then what's really cool, these pants don't have pockets, but they do have like the snaps on the side. Yeah, so you can like unbutton it or keep it buttoned as high or as low as you want. So they are a little low rise. And I thought this would be like a cute, perfect running around town with Violet, going to the park, doing whatever for fall. So that's the first outfit. And then I did also get it in the burgundy color. Same snaps down the side and this little ringer tee that has the lucky horseshoes on it. I just thought these two color combos were like everything when I was like 12, 13, like the burgundy and the navy. And yeah, I just thought these were like super cute run around town outfits. So let me know down below if you guys like these fits, if you think I should keep them or return them. Honestly, I'm probably gonna keep them both. I think they're like really cute. And yeah, next I got these adorable pants with like this eyelet detail and the drawstring front. And I also picked up this like Hello Kitty varsity tee. My daughter, Violet, she loves Hello Kitty, so I thought this was just like a fun, very comfortable mom shirt. I hope you can see the jeans well enough, but they're kind of wide leg. I don't know if you can see them, I'm like pretty far away from the camera, but they're pretty wide leg and a little bit long, but they fit so cute. And they have this like little scrunch in the back. I'm wearing a size XXS, so a 00. I'm really surprised by the size that I'm wearing in Walmart. Maybe they run a little bit bigger. Typically I'm like a 2 or a 4, but yeah. They also had these jeans in black and I really wanted them, but they did not have the size that fit me, so I may order them on the Walmart app. But I also picked up this cardigan. It's like a cable knit type cardigan and I just thought this looked so cute. I always bring like a little sweater or like an overshirt with me wherever I go. I just love the aesthetic of like putting it over my shoulders. But even this like all the way buttoned up and how it fits, I think it looks really cute. I do believe I got the cardigan in a large just because I wanted a little bit of a looser fit. I am muscular. I'm not saying I'm like crazy muscular, but I do have muscle, so a lot of things tend to be tight on my arms. So I just didn't want that uncomfortableness of like wearing a medium or a small, how tight it would be on my arms. Let me see. Oh Oh no, this is a medium actually. I did get a medium, but I think it fits really well. And yeah, I just love how comfy, cozy fall. And like honestly, the brown jeans, I'm like calling it right now, I feel like they're gonna be really huge this fall. I think brown and black jeans are gonna be very popular this fall. Now this shirt I didn't try on in store. Putting it on, I like love the color. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep this or return it. It feels a little boxy. I'm not sure. You guys, let me know down below. Should I keep this top? Should I return it? This is part of their new like free assembly collection that's like Free People inspired, which typically is not my style. I like love it on taller type figures. I'm 5'2", so I feel like the ruffles just add volume to me where I don't really need it. But leave me a comment, let me know if you think it's cute. Should I keep this top? I'm kind of on the fence about it. Okay, next is this like striped long sleeve. I love like a tomboy style fit, and I saw this color and I was like, grabbed it immediately. I didn't try it on. I just knew that I would love it even for like being cozy in the evening and fall, just going to the park, throwing it on over something, going to the beach. It's just like a loose, kind of boxy long sleeve t-shirt, and this is typically like something that I wear every day just to be covered up and comfortable, taking my daughter to the jump place or the park or whatever. I do live in North Florida, so it does get cold here. Not like cold, but we do have seasonal change. It gets in the 30s and 40s through the winter, so I just love this color combo, like the burgundy and the brown. I love it so much. And then I just grabbed this like basic t-shirt. I feel like this was like $7, but I just loved this baby blue color. I feel like it really complements my skin tone. I wear a lot of this color, and this with the brown literally is everything. I just love these colors together. So yeah, just like a basic little comfy tee. Okay, and then last in this haul, I got 2 sweat sets. I got one in this like, it's kind of like a dark teal. It may look a little evergreen on camera, but it is kind of like a teal. It's like not a bright teal, but kind of like a muted teal color. And I got the pants in medium, and the sweater, this one's large. I did also get it in this gray color, which I'll also try on. Again, the pants are a medium, but the sweatshirt I got an extra large. I do prefer baggier sweatshirts. This one was already sold out in extra large, so I just got it in a large, but I literally live in these all winter, fall, just so comfy. I use them at the gym, over my like workout outfits, school pickup, whatever. And yeah, I know I'm gonna wear these nonstop this fall season, and they sell out really fast at Walmart. I don't know what it is, but like every time they get matching sweats in, they always run out of, at least for me, like the sizes that I need. So I wanted to go ahead and grab them. I feel like they were like $11 each. Like the top was 11, the bottoms were 11. And then this is the gray. I love this like whitewash gray. My battery's about to die, so I'm gonna wrap it up. But this is the extra large. I just think it's so comfy and cute. And the pants are medium. All right, you guys, that wraps up my Walmart try-on haul. If you like this type of video, leave me a comment. Let me know what you wanna see next. My battery died, but yeah, you guys, let me know if you like these type of try-on videos. I enjoy doing it. It's definitely different than what I usually film. So leave me a comment, let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.